So got my differential replaced and installed. Just waiting on axles to arrive. Figured while I was at it, I'd replace my rear knuckles. And this tip goes to build too fast. Don't buy bearings or bushings. These knuckles are only $100 and they include the bearing and knuckle. And you don't have to press anything out or in and save you a whole lot of headache. But I actually canceled my order because 8,500 miles. These bearings they're tight. They're brand new. The only play is between the hub and the bearing, and that play will be taken out when I install the axles and tighten it down. But my bushings, I know some of you guys have had premature bushing wear, but my bushings they're tight as well. I mean, there's no play whatsoever. And I haven't even used Tink Seal on these, but I will now. So I'm happy to say I don't need to replace these, and I'll get quite a few more thousand miles out of them.